All right, how y'all doing today? We're still working on this 2010 Subaru Forester, and here's what we're doing today. We are replacing the transmission lines, going from the radiator back to the transmission. It was not leaking, it was just seeping whenever I took it apart, or else I would have done this while the motor was out. But had to order the part too. It didn't take too long getting here to get it. But what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect it from down here. There's two 10mm bolts, one right there that you probably can barely see, and another one on the side of it, two clamps. We're going to take out the battery, 10mm, 10mm, 10mm on the brackets, pull everything out right there. We're going to disconnect the booster line, going over the intake. We'll get it out of our way, and there is also a bracket right here. I'm probably going to pull the two 10mm out of there to get my battery terminal or battery cables out of the way. And then we're going to hit that 10mm that's down in there and them clamps. This is the hardest part's back in there. Trying to get the new line or lines on these new lines. Yeah, lines on new lines. Okay. Either way, we'll get on with it. We'll show it to you apart and work on putting it back together. Let's get on with it. Okay, had to throw a couple more things in here I missed. Removed the water bottle from right here. You just take a screwdriver, pop this side out, and it comes out. It ain't bolted in. It's sitting right there. Now on the transmission line, we are heading for a bolt right here and another bolt. I already got the one on top right here out. Now I want to show y'all a little trick right here. After you get your clamp undone with a pair of vice grips or something, grab you a long screwdriver, aim it down like that on the hose, and then knock the hoses off. It's a lot better than trying to work with them and knock them out. So just tap it with a little hammer. Same way on the back here. They're kind of hard to get to. Now you can get to them from the bottom if you want to. I just got transmission fluid in my eye and all over my face, so I prefer the top. I did the front ones underneath and it got all over me. But take your screwdriver down in here. You can reach them. I use a screwdriver on that, little hammer, knock them loose after you get your clamps off. And we are going to also, the clips for your air conditioner line, pop them out of your way. I forgot about this part. And there's another one right back here. Just pop it loose so you can move it, because this transmission line is pretty long and it's kind of hard to work out of there. So that's what we're getting to now. I'll show it to you whenever it gets back in there. Okay, we got it back together. Not the whole thing, but I got the line back on there, got the bolts tight, the clamps on. Now, I'm definitely going to advise you all to take loose. I'm trying to get a picture of it so you can see. There we go. That bolt, and well, there's two holes right there. There's two bolts. Get that out of your way so that whole thing can move up and down, and it'll help you get that line out, because like I said, it is a pain to get in there, but I got it in pretty quick and back out within a minute and a half, so it wasn't too bad because I already had that bracket loose. Now these lines back here, if you can't get them from the top, like I said, go down to the bottom and get them. And those wasn't too bad. I did get them from the top, but it's still kind of hard to get your vice grips or tool on there that you use to dislocate them. All right, y'all. All I got to do is put the rest of this little tiny bit of stuff back together. And what else? Oh yeah, next time I got to do a control arm on this thing. It ain't over yet. Then he'll come back for struts. But he ordered a control arm and have that in here soon. Well, that's the video, y'all. Y'all enjoy. Have a good day, and we will see y'all on the next one.